Dear students, in this video I am going to discuss about ground improvement techniques introduction. This is part of C362 for 6th semester students. Okay. So in this video we will see different soil deposits in India, different ground improvement techniques and some introductory part. See, there are major soil deposits in India. You might have studied this one in Geotechnical Engineering 1. First one is marine soil deposits. These are available in coastal areas. Second one, black cotton soil. Majority of these soil deposits are in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra. And laterite and lateritic soils, these are available in Western Ghats, in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, some portion of Karnataka, Goa, etc. Alluvial soil deposits are actually available in northern India, the Ganges plates, Uttar Pradesh, part of Delhi, etc. Desert soils are available in Rajasthan. Boulder deposits are found in foothills of Himalayas, Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, northern part of Uttar Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, etc. Now we will see reclaimed soil. The term reclaimed soil comprises of all materials deposited on a site using various methods for different purposes. Industrial and commercial development of urban areas, development of navigation channels for ports and other waterfront structures require a large usable land, which could be possible only by reclamation. Reclamations are also needed for disposal of garbage, industrial waste, paper sludge, mine tailings, etc. Now we will see different reclamation materials. Majorly there are 5 materials. First one is hydraulic fill. The soils obtained from river or lake or ocean are used for hydraulic fills. Well graded soils are preferred for hydraulic fill. Next one is sanitary fills. Actually these sanitary fills are waste materials. This is used as a recycled material. Paper sludge, again waste material. Flyosh and slag materials are used also for reclamation of materials. Rubbish and debris, the construction waste, concrete, paper, glass, grass, etc., stone, etc. are used as reclamation materials. Now we will see a termed ground improvement potential. To enable the engineer to identify the gravity of ground condition and identify suitable ground treatment approach for a particular site, we require to know the ground condition. The first one is hazardous ground condition. Here we see whether the construction can be done in a ground condition, whether it is hazardous. Suppose in some sites, it may be abandoned mine area, it may be landslide prone area, it may be slope failure area, it may have clay deposits, flood plains like what we have seen in last 2 years. There were some areas which are marked as flood areas, but people constructed their houses and during the flood all those areas were submerged in water. Such areas cannot be used for construction. Okay, such areas called hazardous ground condition areas. And radionuclide waste areas, and client doesn't have much idea whether the site is previously used as a waste disposal site. So the engineer should know or assess the ground condition before the construction activity. Next is poor ground condition, like ground subsidence areas, waterlogged areas. Groundwater conditions are very poor, like it may be severely affecting the foundation of soil. Expansive soils are available in the foundation. So those areas are considered as poor ground condition areas. Next one is favorable ground condition, where there is shallow rock, cohesionless granular soils. All those soils can withstand the foundation loading. So, such ground conditions are considered as favorable ground conditions. Next one is classification of ground improvement techniques. A ground improvement in its broadest sense is the alteration of a soil or rock to improve its engineering performance. GIT, that is ground improvement technique, may be classified as compaction, grouting, chemical stabilization, inclusion, hydraulic modification, etc. There are factors must be considered for the selection of best ground improvement technique. First one is soil type, second area and depth of treatment required, type of structure and load distribution, soil properties, settlement, material availability, skilled labor or equipment, environmental factors, local experience and preferences of the client and others, economics, etc. These photographs shows the waterlogged excavation, foundation excavation areas. There is a collapse of soil here. This machinery is called sheep foot roller. It is used for compaction of clay soils. This one is schematic of the soil nailed structure. So, ground improvement technique has effect on ground. So, it may change the state of the soil, it may change the nature of the ground, it may change the response of the ground. The engineer must know all these things. There are different ground improvement methods. First one is removal and replacement of the soil, pre-consolidation techniques, mechanical stabilization like compaction, chemical stabilization like lime and cement stabilization, vertical drains used for consolidation purpose, grouting techniques for dams, ground reinforcements like soil nailing, dewatering of groundwater, well point systems used for again groundwater lowering, electroosmotic methods for lowering of groundwater, thermal and freezing methods, stone columns, etc. This photograph shows the removal of fine grained soil and the site is refilled with granular soils. Here collapse of the cutting, vertical cutting in the construction site. Here these two photographs are also a part of that. So, this is the introductory part of ground improvement techniques, especially from module 1 of CE 362. We will meet with other videos with the different methods of ground improvement.